Hello guys, welcome to CT Money. In today's video, we'll be talking about Haven1 project. So make sure you do what I'm about to share with you after watching this video. So those of you that mind Haven1 through Satoshi app, go and do this right now because there's a snapshot happening today. So they just made a post 1 hour ago which they say final call Haven1 snapshot today. The Haven1 snapshot is happening today at 8 UTC. Make sure you are in before the cutoff. This is your last chance to secure your spot for upcoming reward. Haven't joined the testnet yet? Learn how. So this is the testnet link. I'll be leaving it in the description of this video. So once you copy it, make sure you go to the use the same wallet. Use the browser of the wallet you used to connect to your Satoshi app. Yes, make sure you use the same wallet so that your wallet will be recognized. So mine, I imported my MetaMask wallet to Bitget because MetaMask was giving issue. So what you should do, go to that your wallet, the one you imported on the one you're using, paste the link to the browser. So for Bitget, just click on the discover section. So let me show you how it is. So once you open your Bitget wallet, just come to this discover section here. Then paste in the link. Once you paste the link, tap on it. So now it's going to open this place now. So I will show you what to do. So once it opens this place, what you should do is click on get started. Do you get? Or click on sign up. Do you get? Or register. So once you register, finish registering. The process of registering is very simple. Just follow the steps. It will lead you to where you put in your country, your face verification, and your ID card. So that's it. And if you are choose individual, you see the process. So after that, you come here, claim your H1 token. Do you get? So this your H1 token, you'll be using it to interact. Use testnet token to interact with Haven1 application. So once you claim it, all these are testnet, it is free, so you are not paying money for it. Then after that, come here to this second one here. This is the swap. You're going to be bridging, swap, borrow, lend, and trade your favorite token. So you are going to be using that H1 testnet to do all that in this second section. Then this third section, you can claim your Haven1 passport. This like NFT. Do you get? I don't know how much it's going to cost, whether it's also going to be purchased with the Haven1 testnet token. I don't know, but you can check it out. Then join Zilli. You can earn more rewards. So you join Zilli to earn more reward. Then explore Haven1 testnet, all Haven1 testnet apps. So you see this one is live. You can swap your token. So make sure you interact with this. Then H-bridge is also live. Make sure you bridge your Haven1 testnet. So the token you'll be getting, that's what you'll be using to do all this. So it's absolutely free. You're not going to spend your real money. So testnet faucet. So claim H1 token. So this H1 token is also what you're going to be using to interact. So make sure you do that, guys. So I say let me bring this information to you before it's too late. So make sure you do that. Make sure you do that, guys. Make sure you do that. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.